Hey guys, this is going to be a really quick video. I just wanted to point something out that I forgot to point out in my last video from more of a mid to longer term trend pattern here. I'm seeing a lot of analysts in the YouTube space talking about this green ascending triangle that I have pointed out here. Um, to me, this trend doesn't overly look like an ascending triangle. I mean, I get the theory most of our trading action is happening that, but we keep breaking out and it's just false breakouts. But I know I have pointed out this purple trading range in a previous video. I actually believe that I pointed it out right after we had this little fake out up here, which was a fake out of my weekly trend lines, which you guys hopefully remember that I've been pointing out for a long time. But anyways, I'm seeing more of this trade range playing out where we are in more of a rising parallel channel. And I don't really like the theory of that ascending triangle just because it is so sloppy and we keep getting these quick pumps above. I know I don't have my line there anymore, but those wicks are all above that triangle. And I like my patterns personally from the way I look at it. I like to see exact touch points, and this purple trend has been bang on. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, four trials as support, and we have our two touch points at the resistance so far. One thing that I am looking at for now is the fact that we did break this little bit of a downtrend. A lot of people were saying, oh, this is a big dump. We're just going to keep going lower and lower. To me, this just looked like an attempt at a bear flag, but it just ended up doing a double bottom instead. We never got these candle bodies to close below this wick. So to me, that just looks like a fake out. And to confirm that, we did test my trading range once again perfectly, which I pointed out back on, I believe it was, well, June 1st or 2nd, somewhere in there, that this could be a possibility. So to me, things still look just as bullish, in my opinion, as what I've been flapping on about for the last couple of months. I see no reason to be alarmed that this is a triangle pattern break into the downside or anything like that. Of course, guys, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research. This is just how I'm speculating, looking at the markets currently. If we end up dropping here and we keep testing this support line and get a break below and then a retest as a bit of a resistance flip, then at that point I might be a little more bearish for the short term. But for now, things look healthy. We're just continuing in this range. Again, this range looks perfect. It's being perfectly tested. No fake outs. It's just bouncing around in there. So I've been trading. This is a 4-hour chart. Normally, I'm trading on 1 hour or 15-minute and more looking for quick snipes and get in, get out, or at least start taking profits quick on parts of my position and then updating my stop loss to break even just to reduce some risk once I've started taking profits. That way I don't lose many trades doing that. But yeah, anyways, guys, I just really wanted to point that out because I personally don't agree with the ascending triangle theory going around on several different YouTubers' channels right now. So I'm gonna keep playing this as if it's in this trading range right now. One thing that I will be looking for is if we get a bit of a triangle or falling wedge type situation here. So I'd like to see that resistance, this red resistance line broken as well. I am going to draw a line on the RSI. And that way it'll just help be a little more of a confirmation if we can get some sort of a break above this red line and retest. I would think that we are going to be testing the top of this purple range once again. Doesn't have to happen, but that's just one way of looking at it currently. It's still very early to say if that'll happen or not. But on top of getting the break of this red line, I would like to see the RSI do the same just to have that double confirmation. So anyways, guys, with that, it's a nice quick short video here today. I just wanted to bring that up because I forgot to mention it in my last video. So without going too much more into detail, I'm going to leave you guys with that. Peace.